Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacey Elizabeth and today we're going to be talking about lips. Yes, we've got brand new KKW lip pencils right here. This is the nude collection and we have this palette right here. This is a 5-piece mini gloss set from KKW Beauty. I'm going to try them on, I'm going to test them out, and I'm going to give you my thoughts on them. Alright guys, let's get into it. So I just went in and I applied the KKW lip liners and the lip glosses. I'm going to give you guys my full and honest reviews. Let's start with the lip liners. So application, let's talk about it. It went on effortlessly, seamlessly. It's beautiful, it's creamy. It's very, very nice. Like it just applies like a dream. Very, very good. But I feel like I've had it on for a while now. And like if you look, if I zoom right in, so can you guys see how the lip liner is kind of like just bleeding into my fine lines around my lips? So the purpose of a lip liner is to put it on your lips, obviously to darken the shade around your lips, to overdry your lips, to give your lips an effect, but the main purpose of it is actually to keep your lipstick from basically crossing over into those fine lines around your lips. That's the main purpose of a lip liner. So I feel like this one is just, I don't know, it's like, it's not doing it for me. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10 as my final score for application on this lip liner. Let's talk about pigmentation. I feel like the colors are beautiful, but there isn't a lot of colors in this set. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, that will work for my skin tone. You have to think Kim is Armenian, so she has a lot deeper of a skin tone than I do. So for someone with a deep skin tone, hands down, this set's going to look amazing on you and I'd recommend it for you. It's not my favorite colors. I feel like there could have been more color range. Even though it's nudes, I just feel like less yellow toned nudes and more of a bit of a range of ones that would work for different skin tones and types because it is a set. That's my opinion on that. So I'm actually going to give it a 7 out of 10. Okay, let's talk value. Here's where it's going to be iffy. Hopefully you guys can see this. I feel like the printing on here is very hard to read because it's very reflective, but I also feel like the printing on here is actually kind of sideways, like it's slanted, like a bad printing job. It is sharpenable, which I do like. I haven't sharpened this one yet. I feel like the color on the end doesn't 100% reflect the color on the actual crayon, so I have to give this product probably a 6 out of 10 for value, giving us a final score of 21 out of 30. Alright guys, let's talk about the glosses. Don't get me wrong, you get 5 of them. I think that they are amazingly cute, but let's talk about the application. They go on effortlessly, but when you pull it out of the actual, here, I'll demonstrate for you guys. Okay, so when you pull this out, it is so liquidy, it just kind of flies out of the tube. So the first time I filmed this, because I did actually film this is the second time. There was a voice issue the first one. So I've had some practice with these products. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I ended up with lip gloss on my shirt thinking, how did I get lip gloss on my shirt? But when you pull this product out of the tube, it just flies out of the tube. You don't want that. I don't want that. I'm sure you don't want that. No one wants that. So it's like dangerous, you know, for a dry cleaning bill anyway. The other thing I wanted to mention to you guys is that the wand is so much shorter than the actual tube. So when it comes right down to it, to get the product out at the end, it's going to be quite difficult. So all things considering, for application of this lip gloss, it's a 7 out of 10 for me. It is what it is. Pigment, let's talk about it. Alright. I have been talking to camera guy since I applied the lip glosses to my lips, and this is the third one that I applied for you guys for maybe 20 minutes because we've been just having a conversation and all that. What I noticed is that it's just really running into my fine lines right here. That was bothering me. That and the consistency of this has really been bothering me. I will be honest with you guys. I actually took this one right here, and this one is the shade Nude 2.5. I put this color right here on the back of my hand because I wanted to see what the color was like and the consistency on the back of my hand. I looked at it and I thought it's really liquidy, so that's weird. You know, I've tested obviously other lip glosses out and I wanted to see the difference between a bunch of other lip glosses I had in front of me. I grabbed this one right here from Scott Barnes and I placed that one on the right side of my hand. I grabbed this one right here from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I placed that one in the center of my hand. And I grabbed this one right here from Sigma Beauty and I added this one to this side of my hand. So, if you look really close, you can tell that the one from KKW Beauty, the original one that I placed on my hand, it's separating. It's sliding around my hand, which I believe is why I'm having the problems with my lip liner. It's just running everywhere. So am I happy with it? No. Don't get me wrong. I really love the color. Like, I think the pigment is beautiful. Like, the shade range is stunning. The pigmentation, all of that is great. But honestly, I have to give this one 5 out of 10 for pigment because it's just, no one wants that. Like, it's sliding around my hand. It's sliding around my mouth. No one needs that. Alright, value. I think that the set is expensive for what it is. You get 5 colors. I believe this is sold on KKW's website for $42, and honestly that works out to what, like $8 and some cents a shade. So it's comparable to other brands, and really, honestly, the packaging was lackluster for me. So this is the packaging right here. There's a sticker on the back of the box. This is the only thing that really has any really cuteness, where it's embossed right here. But the sticker on the back of the box, I'm gonna hold this up for you guys. It's on crooked, so it seems cheap. Because when I look at the actual lip glosses right here, there is no branding on this side. There's no branding on that side, no branding on this side, no branding on that side, no branding on the top. And on the bottom, we have a tiny sticker that says distributed by KKW in the world's tiniest print. So for me, I feel like this is lackluster a lot, giving us a score of 6 out of 10 for value, giving us a final score of only 18 out of 30 for this KKW lip gloss. Honestly, it just wasn't for me. Remember guys, if you love honest reviews like this and you want to see more, remember to hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.